Hello, welcome to Modi Care. This video can change your life completely. It's a request from you all. Please listen to this carefully with open mind. There is no charge of listening, no charge of membership. Just listen attentively only. Before started, I want to mention few points here. Hope you will find it useful for you. Those who had listened to this presentation carefully had completely changed their life in a couple of years. In this business, there is like no investment, or you can say very low investment. Through that, you can change your life. We are just sharing business with you. Final decision is yours. If you don't have dream, then this business is not for you. But I hope you all are having some dreams and you all want to fulfill your dreams. So do you have dreams, or do you want to fulfill your dreams? I hope you all want. So, our dreams are like we all want financial freedom, we all want a dream home by our own income, we all want a dream car, luxurious car, we all want foreign trip, or we all want to spend time with family, we all want respect and recognition, we all want a secured life, and we all want to help other. And if all your dreams come true, then how you feel? I hope you will feel very happy. But the reality is like our income is very limited. We want to fulfill so big dreams, but our income is very limited. Our income are limited, for because of that we shrink our dreams as per our income. So do you really want to shrink your dreams, or want to increase your income, or we are giving you opportunity to increase your income? There is a chart which show the average income of a middle class family. In 1960, 100 rupees is enough for survival. In 1980, 1000 rupees is enough for survival. In 2000, it increased to 10,000. In 2020, 1 lakh is even not sufficient for a good life. And in 2040, it will increase to 10 lakh. So are we doing something through which we can earn income of up to 10 lakh? I don't think so. We are doing some work through which we can earn 10 lakh per month. So do you want to start something through which you can get a luxurious life? I hope we all want. There is a chart yesterday, present and tomorrow. Till 0 to 20 years, we are dependent on our family, like from birth and for study and for regular life. We all depend on our family, our parents. 20 to 60 years we are independent and take care of our family and parents, but after 60 plus we need to depend on our parents. So are we doing something? According to a survey, after retirement 45% people dependent on children, 30% dependent on old age home, 23 are still working, and only 2% of people are there who are independent. So what you want, to be in above list, or you want to be a 2% people who are still independent and want to fulfill all your dreams and your children's dream? I hope we all want. So now, do you want to fulfill all your dreams? So let's discuss it, and how can we fulfill our dreams through our daily life. Do we brush? Do we bath? Do we drink tea? We all purchase this item from some shop, mall, or anywhere. How is it if we can earn from our regular spending? So let's convert this monthly spending into income. And I hope all want to change the monthly spending into income. So let's see about a chart. Old method of shopping: we buy a company, sell the product to distributor, then wholesaler, then retailer, and then we get the product. In this we have to spend on advertisement money, also get from our pocket. But in direct selling, but through Modi Care, there is no distributor, no wholesaler, no shopkeeper. There is direct selling between customer and satisfied consultant, and we get the income from that. What is the benefit of direct selling? Let's discuss about that. There is no investment in this business, no loss, no boss. Matlab, like in this you don't have to incur any kind of loss. Earn as per your will. This is family business, can be transferred to family. Through this we can earn passive income, that without work After some years without work, we can earn from this. No experience required, part-time business. So let's know something about Modi Care. This is India's first direct selling company, started in 1996. It has above 2000 plus crore turnover, dealing in more than 600 plus product. Many award winning company. Sameer Modi launched Azadi Plan. It is launched by Sameer Modi, in which you get financial freedom, time with family, and financial security. In Modi Care is a part of Modi Enterprises. Total turnover of Modi Enterprises is above 62,000 crore, 62,000 plus crore, which we can even not imagine. In Modi Care, you get Modi International Institute, Modi Sugar Mill, Modi Nagar, Modi Mill 24 into 7 product, Modi Dhage, Modi Glass, Color Bar, Panvilas, Indophil, GPI are all associated with Modi brand. Modi Care products is a life-changing product of Modi Care which give value to your products and to your services. It is having international quality original products, affordable products with 100% quality guaranteed. If you are not satisfied with the quality of the product, then you can get the full money refund from the company, and even the company owner had signed it. Advantage of using Modi Care: it's like retail profit. You can earn up to 20% retail profit on it. Less than MRP, you got the product, you got the repurchase benefit. And you are thinking about what is repurchase offer. In repurchase offer, you can get approx 10% gift on 1000 to 11,000 product shopping. You can get loyalty bonus, and you want to know what is loyalty bonus. So what is loyalty, I will explain in next video. So profit and profit only when you shop from the Modi Care. So if you want to change your spending in income, then you must surely join Modi Care. 7% to 16% income you get from the Modi Care. After becoming director, you get 4% director pool benefit. After becoming senior director, you get 3% pool benefit of travel fund. After becoming senior executive director, you get 5% pool benefit of car fund. Through this, you can get all free of cost. You get car, you get travel fund, you get house fund, you get so many funds and so many advantage only from this Modi Care. When you become director, you get 4% pool of director fund. When you become senior director and above, you get 3% travel fund. When you become senior executive director, you get 5% pool benefit of car fund. When you become presidential director, you get 3% pool benefit or above of house fund. For the pool benefit of house fund, under you there must be 6 director compulsory. So let's start your new life with Modi Care, and registration is free of cost. You can buy up to 1500 to 15,000 product, household product of your choice, and take your first success step. The decision is yours for the better life. If you say yes, then your life get completely changed. Through this, you can earn income in lakhs, in crores in few years. So the final decision is completely yours, whether you want to earn in lakh or crores, or want a regular income of 30,000, 40,000 per month. So let's start our life in a better way and do the free registration and choose the product of our daily life like toothpaste, soap, talcum powders, and the product which we use in daily life like tea, coffee, refined oil, coconut oil, desi ghee, and there are so many products listed in this. So what you had decided now? If you say yes, then you get 20% discount on the MRP, 10% free gift, 25% loyalty bonus, 7 to 16% BV monthly check, 100% customer satisfaction, 4% director pool, 3% foreign trip, 5% dream car pool, 3% dream house pool, 2% Atut Bandhan pool, in which you can earn up to 21 lakh per month, 14% LPB in which you can earn in lakh, 15% leadership pool in which you can earn in crore. And if you say no, then you can get what you are doing. There are 3 type of people in this world: those who achieve, those who wait to other to become successful, and those who always confused what to do. So who are you from above? 10 successful system which you must follow to become successful. First, be committed to yourself that I will achieve all the targets. Second, use product by your own self. First use it, then you can recommend to other the benefit, and you will surely get the benefit from it. Share the product, sponsor the product to other, and follow all the rule. Be in system, be systematic, follow all the steps which mentioned by the upline. See the big dreams. When you see the big dream, then you will